Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and schedule post on your Facebook page. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, I am inside my Facebook page right here, so you just want to go ahead and click on your profile icon here and it will take you to your Facebook profile info, and inside you want to go ahead and make sure that you are using your Facebook page right here, because sometimes it will only go ahead and look at your page but you are not actually looking or managing your page right here. You are only on this page while using your main account. Make sure that you have logged in inside your Facebook page right here, and once inside you want to go ahead and click on your professional dashboard. Inside the professional dashboard, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the Meta Business Suite, so just go ahead and click on it. And inside the Meta Business Suite, just go ahead and click on the planner at the edge of the screen that we have right here. And once inside, you will be able to see the dates available. And of course, you will have to go ahead and find the create post button. So just go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this page right here. Now you could just go ahead and fill these details up. You have your text and you basically have everything right here. You can add photos, add videos, use your templates and more, and right below your text right here, and then you will be able to see the scheduling option. So just go ahead and turn this setting on, and then you will be able to schedule your time and date for your Facebook page post. So guys, if you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.